It's been 5 to 7 years in your career. You know what you're doing. You're not a newbie anymore. But still, something feels off. You're not learning much. You're not excited anymore. You're not moving up. You're just floating. If that sounds like you, I was there too. And this video is going to help you. Hi, I am Sheikh Khadar. Today I'm not going to give you any lecture. I just wanted to share something simple that really helped me. Something called Explore model. I don't know how many know this, but just wanted to share this so that you get help from here. It's not about becoming an overnight YouTuber, or it's not about quit your job idea. It's about making a career shift step by step without even burning out or starting over. Imagine your career as a big red toolbox. In 5 to 7 years, you have started collecting a lot of tools. Maybe you are good at managing tasks, speaking to clients, solving problems, or even leading teams. But here is the mistake we make. Doing the same thing again and again, over and over, and we stop learning new things. The Explore says growth is nothing but using your current strengths while you are actually trying new things. It's like watering a plant while you are seeding a new plant. Let's try to break it down and understand it in deeper. Leveraging is about doing more of what you are already good at, and exploring is something like you're trying to do something new and you're not good at it. You know it, but still you get started with that. Let me quickly tell you a story. Some years ago, I was not happy. I was just feeling like stuck. I'm good at what I was doing. People are appreciating me, but I was feeling bored. So that's when I felt like I should do something new. And that new thing is writing in LinkedIn. Initially, I started once in a week and I started writing again and again and again until I became good. And by that writing, I got 5,000 plus followers in LinkedIn. Can you imagine that? At one point, I was not sure whether to start or not. And at the end, I got 5,000 plus followers even without any efforts. Let's make this real for you. Grab a pen and answer these questions. What's one thing that you're really good at right now? What's one thing that you wanted to do it more and get noticed for? And the third question is very important. What's the one thing that you always wanted to do at work but never did it? You don't have to make big moves. You just want to start over with small thing. The secret is you don't have to escape from your job. You just need to shift inside your job. Be playful, be curious. One project, one learning, one risk. That's how you slowly grow from one state to another state. Here is a bonus tip. Most of the times the manager looking for somebody who wants to take extra step. Go ahead and talk to your manager and tell him that you want to take one side project or assist somebody in a new project that you are really interested in. So that way you can actually feel that you are learning new thing. So if you are stuck, just remember that you are not broken. You are ready to take your next chapter. If this helped you, hit that like, share and subscribe button and share it with a friend who is feeling like stuck now. See you in the next video where we will be talking about how to find that next skill that you wanted to improve upon. Thank you so much and thank you. Signing off, your Khadar.